Identity number 3, we've got the left-hand side equals to cot theta plus tan theta. Okay, so we could rewrite cot theta as, what could we write it as? Well, we could write it as cos theta over sine theta. And then of course tan theta could be written as sine theta over cos theta. Okay, so we know that's the result of tan theta, and obviously we need to remember then that cot theta is the reciprocal of tan, so it's like flipping that there. So that's the result of cot theta. We could then write this as a single fraction. Okay, so in that sense then we would be, well, we could sort of cross multiply if you like, but ultimately it's about sort of getting a common denominator of sine theta cos theta. Okay, to get a common denominator, we can times these two together. But essentially, it's like timesing that by cos theta, yeah? To get sine theta cos theta. So if I times that denominator by cos theta, I've got to times the top by cos theta. So I get cos squared theta. And then to get that to be sine theta cos theta, I need to times the bottom by sine theta. So I times the top by sine theta. So if I times that by sine theta, I get sine squared theta. And then you'll notice, of course, we can use that rule that we know already. Cos squared plus sine squared is 1. And then if you split this up, so think of them as two fractions, 1 over sine theta times 1 over cos theta, we then get cosec, the third letter, remember, cosec theta, and then the third letter there is c, so it'll be sec theta. And we get a result. Okay, so cosec theta sec theta is equal to the right hand side, therefore it's program.